Scratch me again, see what happens.
You're hurting me.
You should have thought about that.
No dia 18 de outubro de 2024, policiais foram acionados para atender uma ocorrência de invasão de propriedade em uma estação de ônibus. Uma mulher embarcou no veículo sem apresentar uma passagem, e mesmo após repetidos pedidos à segurança para que deixasse o local, ela se recusava a sair. Os funcionários ainda informaram que não venderiam nenhum bilhete para ela, mas, mesmo assim, ela insistia em permanecer na propriedade.
What's going on?
Oh, I got like a young white female inside. She's a little bit crazy, but I want her to be trespassed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. You just want to trespass? You want to press charges if she doesn't want to leave?
Yes, I'll request.
Okay.
I'll try to be trespassed.
Where she at? This one?
Yeah.
Hey,
Hi.
are you with anybody else or just alone?
No, I'm alone.
Okay. So security here, they're giving you a warning right now. They want you trespassing here. I mean, security here, they're giving you a warning right now and they want you trespass, meaning you can't come back, right? So they're denying you service and they just want you to leave at this point.
I'm gonna get my ticket.
You're gonna get your ticket, you're gonna have to go somewhere else.
What do you mean somewhere else?
So yeah, you can't stay here. After this warning, if you stay here, come back, anything, you're subject to arrest, alright?
But sir, you don't understand.
Alright, so listen, for the night, they're not going to sell you a ticket. For whatever reason, you guys had an argument or whatever, they want to refuse services. So they're asking you to leave the property. If you refuse to leave, you're going to go to jail. So what we need you to do right now is gather your belongings and make your way off property.
But I'm charging my phone.
It doesn't matter, you have to go somewhere else.
Are you for real?
Yes.
For real, yeah.
So please gather your belongings and make your way off
But sir,
property.
you're not even listening to me.
There's no option on this. This is a decision off of the business, and we're just telling you what the
But
business
I'm
is
gonna buy the
requesting.
freaking ticket.
You're not gonna buy a
They're not gonna sell
ticket.
you
They're
a
not
ticket.
gonna sell you anything.
Why?
We're
That's
not going
wrong.
to sit here and explain it. Gather your belongings.
Can you just
Stand
give me
up.
a second?
No, go ahead, gather your things. Make your way outside.
¿Puedes salir un momento fuera conmigo?
Sí.
¿Ustedes están juntos?
No, sino que ella le van a depositar un dinero y estoy consiguiendo la cuenta de seller que nos van a transferir por parte de allá para comprar tickets. Eso es lo que necesita ella, una cuenta bancaria que le deposite su dinero, al igual que yo. Lo que estoy enviando para que le envíe.
That's wrong, sir, what you're doing. And you're
Okay.
not even letting me explain.
Pero ya disculpe,
There's
¿qué,
no need to explain. This is what the business wants, and you just have to comply,
¿qué
okay?
dice que no le entiendo?
Que este negocio no quiere vender un ticket a ella porque ella estaba haciendo un show más temprano y por
Yo no
eso
hice ningún show.
ellos quieren que ella vaya. So, ellos
Aquí,
quieren que-
no,
ella
me
tiene
escucho,
que
tú
ir.
te vas aquí esta
Y
mañana.
si ella no vaya, ella va a ir para la cárcel, pero es una
No,
opción
de verdad, hay que hacer caso.
de parte de ella.
No,
Voy
disculpe.
a la casa, señor, porque usted no me está escuchando.
Vamos a por y hablamos para que te deposite tu dinero, para que también puedas comprar tu vuelo igual que yo.
You guys are wrong, you're not listening.
Exit this way.
There's this stuff.
Exit that way.
That's fucked up. You guys don't do your job. No, me vas a dar qué? No, no puedo decir nada.
Other way, ma'am. You gotta go to your right. You have to leave property.
It's completely off of the property, so the parking lot, everything. If you need to make a phone call to, let's say, have someone pick you up, just do that across the street. You can't do it here. Understand?
I need to do it here.
This is still the property. We're still giving you a chance right now, right? So to explain, this is the property. You have to head on out.
Update for 8:30
That's
p.m.
fucked up. You guys are fucked up. I'm not leaving.
You're not leaving. Again, I'm gonna give you a chance. If you do not leave, you're gonna go to jail. That's the next option.
Si quieres que te ayude, que te deposite tu dinero, vamos para afuera, para que yo no ponga problemas, porque te van a arrestar. Tiene que hacer caso a la ley, en serio.
No, 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 hijo de...
Ma'am, you gotta keep walking.
I'm not gonna keep walking.
Listen, I'll say this one last time. Get off property or go into jail.
Mira, yo no me quiero meter en problemas
Pick up your
contigo,
bag
con
and
ellos.
continue to walk.
Yo te estoy haciendo un favor para que te deposite tu dinero. Si quieres,
Explica a ella, si ella no vaya, ella va para la cárcel. Y eso
Escúchame.
va a pasar ahora mismo.
lo que yo diga hay que hacerle caso porque eso es su trabajo.
Ellos
Escúchame,
son unos comepingas, eso es
no
lo que
importa.
pasa.
A ellos no le importa lo que tú le digas, ¿me entiendes? A ellos lo que le importa
A
es
mí
que tú
tampoco
salgas
me
aquí.
importa, ellos no me quieren escuchar. Si
Is
yo
she
no los
leaving
voy a
or not?
escuchar a
Yo te
ellos.
entiendo. Por eso te estoy ayudando con lo de la cuenta.
right.
¿Entiendes? Vamos.
Step back.
Ok.
You're under arrest. Not hands up.
Don't resist. Stop pulling back.
Catch me again, see what happens. Let me know when you're ready.
No! Hold on!
Oh, she just got fat Leo charges.
My
Got
phone!
you? Yeah.
I need my phone!
No,
We're gonna go to the car.
Ow! 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 Hold on! You're hurting me!
you should have thought about that before you just attacked a police officer.
You're hurting me! Ow! Ow! Please! Please stop! You're hurting me!
Spread your legs.
Spread your feet.
You're hurting me, sir! Please!
Stop moving.
Please stop! You're hurting me! You're hurting me! You're hurting me! Please! 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 You're hurting me!
Okay.
Thank you.
You're hurting me!
Well, you know when you're done.
One sec. She has money on the side.
That's mine!
Yeah, it's gonna go with you. Don't worry. Ready?
Yep.
Yep.
My shoe!
What do you want me to do? I gotta do a report now for this. You want me to just take the whole thing?
Yeah, sure. I'm giving you another chance just to make stuff easy, right? Like the same way I was giving you a chance to leave willingly so that this didn't happen. I'm giving you a chance right now to just say your name and your date of birth. No? You don't want to do that? Okay.
O que poderia ter sido resolvido com uma simples saída voluntária da estação acabou se transformando em um caso criminal. A mulher agora responde por agressão a um agente da lei e invasão de propriedade. O que você achou dessa história? Compartilhe sua opinião nos comentários abaixo. E se você gostou desse vídeo, não se esqueça de deixar um like e se inscrever no canal para não perder mais nenhum vídeo como esse.